Paal designs are fully flexible, and you can make changes to our standard plans. Come in and discuss your ideas with one of our housing design consultants. They can transform your dreams into finished working plans right before your eyes. It's all done with our own advanced 3D computer design program. With Paal's standard designs, moving walls within the home is easy, as there are no internal load-bearing walls. It's a very simple process to relocate walls and doors and add shelving to create that storage you've always dreamed of. Paal manufactures all the kitchen and laundry cabinetry for their kit homes, so customization through redesign is easy and simple to do. External modifications, such as changing windows and doors or even adding outdoor entertaining areas, are also easy to do. When plans are completed, you can view a 3D rotating image of your new home. So from initial rough ideas to finished plans, your vision becomes reality and another happy Paal family. At Paal, we make it easy for you.